Everything set. Right now, we're good now. Yeah.
So let me see the fish. Oh, I'll say put the fish in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going.
Oh, steam. Yeah.
No. Never do know.
So how long? How long the fish?
Fish are going to done long before the chicken, man.
Oh, okay.
It's 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes.
Yeah, the chicken have to done properly.
Yeah. The chicken about 2-3 hours.
Nah, not 3 hours. Chicken might be about, well, he said maybe, it depends on how thick they be sometime, but they now will take long, maybe about 45 minutes.
45 minutes, okay.
So, when I do now, I put up my table here now. This is my table where I chop pan. So, the race, wait a few, break it down, because don't want too much water. So I'm chopping board. Would never do know.
Everything has to be clean and nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. No food poisoning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Quite a dangerous thing.
Yes.
What I'm going to do now, this is a recycle and this is a trash.
Oh, okay.
So you don't want to throw certain things like this,
Yeah.
because you will get charged.
So you have to tell the people them to recycle.
Yeah, bottle and plastic going like
Yeah.
that. It's a trash.
And don't throw the trash on the street, you know.
Yeah, okay, we're not throwing trash on this.
We don't throw trash on the street.
Ticket that, you know?
Yeah. We keep the community nice and clean.
Yeah.
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 Just like the food.
So some barrel now we have got a yard.
Oh, you borrow that. Oh,
Some
yeah.
barrel this are packed to got a yard. But can't leave them outside because we live in a good community.
Yeah,
Nobody
yeah.
nobody, they can stay there all 4 years. Nobody now wear name them. A camera watch them.
Yeah.
A camera.
Oh,
Yeah.
now we start to look like jerk chicken.
Oh yeah. Turning them now over.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Turn to one side. Look one side, turn the fish them. That's everything good, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything done back here
Oh,
now.
let me take a good look. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Low fire, turn it down low.
Wow.
Yeah.
It smells so damn good.
Oh yeah. Smell it a miles away.
Whew.
Yeah.
The rain coming down a little
The
bit.
rain coming down back again now.
Blessing.
Yeah.
Blessing from above.
And in the meantime, mix up my jerk now. Yeah, so we have it on a low fire then now.
Mm-hmm.
You want to take your time, jerk. So, in the meantime, I'm going to mix up my jerk sauce. I'm going to paint my chicken with it. I'll mix my jerk. Big cantina. So,
We're gonna make the jerk sauce now.
yeah, I'm going to make my jerk sauce. So.
Cause the jerk sauce is what gives the jerk chicken that.
Yeah, I always paint my chicken when it's almost done, when I'm chopping it up.
Yeah.
So you got that taste on it. Cause you know, I already put jerk sauce, but you know the fire burn off some of it
Yeah.
on the grill. So we keep that you know, a paint. Yes. That's my famous Walker zone. Viewers, you see it?
Yeah.
So,
Walker's with traditional Jamaican
yeah, this is the first jerk sauce, you know.
jerk seasoning, yeah.
What I do now, just take a few spoons.
Uh-huh.
I do know the whole heap of sauce, you know.
Okay.
I don't want it too salty. I just use.
This one is a little bit salty, right?
Yeah, this jerk sauce have enough salt.
Yeah, so, okay.
Yeah, me and them, and I'll hold that. So I got some of that. So what I do here now, I look for my, I'm looking for my smoke sauce, trying to get my smoke sauce. So I have smoke sauce there. Yes, find it. This,
Okay, so
that's
that's
my liquid smoke.
okay.
I give a little of this and that to mix up my sauce.
It's not like the ganja smoking, right?
No.
No, ganja smoking much better, right?
Yeah. This is just a liquid smoke. Hear the chocolate taste.
Yeah. This is not the Rastaman smoking.
No.
Alright.
This is just a liquid smoke, you know. We're not that Jamaica, you know, so we're not get the right charcoal, like the, you know,
Yeah.
the good hood. Get the smoke single one. So we have to use the cabin now. Like it.
Your grandmother have to be proud, man, because grandma teach you well.
Yeah. My father used to jerk pork, you know.
Oh, okay.
That's what my father living in.
Where that's?
What are we not doing?
Oh, we not. Oh,
What
okay.
East Kingston, they call it a town, the Brownstown. Call my father Lala, pork man.
Oh, East Kingston.
Yes.
Yeah.
Brownstown, Dunkirk.
Dunkirk.
Yeah.
Big up all the Dunkirk posse. The massive.
So my father used to jerk pork.
Yeah.
So I will watch him, you know. I will watch him when I do too. So I have little of that. I get little barbecue sauce too.
Oh,
Mix
so
up my sauce.
oh,
I
that's
mix
the
up the
barbecue
sauce
sauce.
now, yes. Not my whole heap.
So you have the jerk sauce, you have the barbecue sauce,
Yes, smoke
and you have
liquid.
your smoke liquid,
And then we're gonna get a little ketchup.
and you put that little ketchup in it too.
Yeah, because I'm
Okay.
mixing up my sauce, you know. I make my own sauce,
Oh, okay.
you know.
That's why your chicken. That's why
So-
your chicken is so good, man.
Yeah, so you don't have to, if you don't want to put no ketchup on your jerk chicken, you don't have to, because it already have in everything.
Yeah, you mix up everything together.
Yes. Have in everything.
And it smells so good already.
So what I do now, when I mix it with now, I mix it with the hot water.
Oh.
Okay. I have to put no seasoning, because I have enough seasoning already.
Okay. So you mix it up with the hot water, then you put it on the fire?
No, it's not going on the fire. It's
Oh.
already. This what me use my brush. Like a paintbrush.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this
So
my
you
brush.
don't need to put it on the fire, you just...
No, this is what we're gonna use and paint it, you know. When we put in the chicken in the fire pan, you use this and
Paint it,
yeah.
okay.
So still have it taste, you know. Jerk taste, you know.
The original Gongalee kitchen, man. Gongalee jerk, chicken, and steamed fish.
Yeah. No, that's roast fish.
Oh, today we're doing jerk chicken and roast fish.
On festival.
On festival.
We already did the festival already.
Yeah.
And then Q.
Let me taste it. Hey, me not gonna make it today, no. Me not gonna make it that time. Yeah. So, so maybe me try to do something Monday. Yeah, alright. Sorry about that, yeah? Yeah. Or if me, or when me finish, me call you and make you know. If anything. Yeah. Alright, respect. Yeah, man. Man, the chicken smells so good, creamy.
It feels so good too.
So that's what the sauce.
That's my sauce. I paint them one, yeah. These are almost done. Yeah, touching of them. Yeah.
So we're gonna try the chicken. Oh man.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try some jerk chicken now.
Oh. Creamy?
Yeah.
Oh my god. The texture in the chicken.
Yeah. That's the way chicken's supposed to
So
taste.
good. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Nice
with the red stripe beer too.
Oh. This is good. This is good.
Juicy.
Juicy.
Not dry.
Not dry. You have to have some of this jerk chicken. You put the bone. Yep.
So, link you up next day again.
Next day we do Gongalee kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll cook up some more. I'll link up to Ton Carl me with Gongo fish, you know.
Oh man.
Steam fish, you know. Not today. Salmon is a real coconut milk. Yeah, Gongo peel.
This is good.
Rootsman food.
Until next time, we'll see you on Gongalee's kitchen.
Yeah.